Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how alerts work with Bootstrap. First thing is going to put the Bootstrap, of course inserting everything in, then Bootstrap 4, don't forget. Then we are going to start with the alerts. As you may have thought about it, yes, there's an alert success, alert info, alert warning, alert everything. So as I had teach you guys in the column, that's also for the tables. So why won't it for the alerts, okay? You just put alert, so remove the first one and it will be an alert. But if you put alert success, it will be always prettier, okay? Then you should, it's a recommendation, you can put the strong index success, so it will be bolder, okay? And let's go in. Now the alert links, we still have the same alert success, alert info, then colors keeps the same, the strong always, of course, but you also have something different now. You will now have the links. So you can put the href, okay? Then you put the class, and the class must be alert link, so it will have the same color, around not the same color, but around the same. You see, it's not green, but it's not black. It's close to it. Then you put read the message because it needs something to click on, and you will be redirected to the page. Here we don't have any page. It's very beautiful, okay? Imagine you want to put something like that. Bootstrap helps you in every way. Now, you must already saw it, but have a close. Yes, we have an X. So, how do we do it? Put an alert color, alert success in this case, and alert dismissible. It's possible to dismiss the alert. So, you first will create a button of the type button, of course, with a class close. It's a class created by the Bootstrap and data dismiss. It will be the alert. The alert will be dismissed. Okay, let's keep going. Yes, okay. Now, times the end, the commercial end, times semicolon, it already saw, yes, it will be an X, right? It will be equivalent to an X in HTML. Then you close the button. It's that button. Okay, then the rest, it's just the same thing. You just put the success or the info or the main thing you want to say in the string, and you say everything you want. Then you can click and it will close automatically. Of course, if you load a page, it changes. Now on the screen, it looks slightly different, right? No, wait. It's the complete opposite. In the screen, it doesn't change anything, right? But the code changed. We also add the fade and the show class. What does that do? It simply creates something like a fade in the show. So instead of clicking and it is missing instantly, it will go slow. You see? Very cool, the animation. It's not something that will lag your site, will make it slow, or will just mess with it will not make anything bad. It's very fast. Just add the fade and the show class, right? They are both different classes, don't forget. And it will become like 100% better, okay? For this video, it's everything. Click on these videos about Bootstrap. Don't get lost, of course. Hope you guys enjoyed and see you soon.